Welcome to YNAB, your expense tracking solution.
YNAB, short for You Need a Budget, is a popular app designed to help you gain control of your finances. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use the YNAB mobile app to easily input, categorize, and reveal your expenses, making it simple to stay organized and informed about your spending habits.
Navigating the YNAB mobile app.
The YNAB mobile app offers a clean and straightforward interface. Once you log in, you'll see your list of accounts and budget categories. The main menu allows you to switch between your accounts, view your overall budget, and check helpful reports. Familiarizing yourself with the layout makes expense tracking much easier.
How to input expenses.
To add an expense in YNAB, tap the account you used for the purchase, then select the plus button. Enter the amount, date, payee, and a brief description if desired. Assign the expense to the appropriate budget category. Saving each transaction right after you spend ensures your budget remains accurate and up to date.
Categorizing expenses for clarity.
Careful categorization is key to understanding your spending. YNAB lets you create and customize budget categories like groceries, transportation, or entertainment. When logging an expense, choose the most appropriate category. This organization helps you see where your money goes, making it easier to spot trends and adjust your habits.
Reviewing and analyzing your spending.
Regularly reviewing your expenses in YNAB helps you stay accountable. Use the budget overview to see how much you've spent in each category and compare spending across different periods. Reports can highlight areas where you might save money or need to adjust your allocations, keeping you on track with your financial goals.
Start gaining control with YNAB.
Tracking expenses with YNAB is straightforward once you learn the basics. Inputting, categorizing, and reviewing your transactions in the app empowers you to make better financial decisions. With regular use, you'll develop new insights into your spending and gain greater control over your budget.